Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we are going to do a room called Cicada-3301 Volume 1. So it is a basic steganography and cryptography challenge room based on the Cicada 3301 challenges. So let's dive right into it. Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. There is a hidden message in this image. Download and unzip the folder given to begin. Good luck 3301. So let's download the files. I have already downloaded it and put in it into my folder. This is my zip file. Now unzip this file using unzip and the file name. Okay, we have two files now, a .vav audio file and a JPEG file. So download and unzip the given folder. We have done this. Let's move on to task 2. Web browsers are useless here. Welcome. Good luck. Use Sonic Visualizer to analyze the audio. So let's use Sonic Visualizer. It is not pre-installed in Kali. You have to install it. Simply search Sonic Visualizer and you will get the link to download this. So let's click open and let's play this file. Okay, let's go to layer. Let's add spectrogram. Okay, so we see a QR code. So how can we scan this? I think I will have to use my Android phone to scan this QR code. So now we have to go to Play Store, simply search QR code, and I have downloaded this QR and barcode scanner. So let's open this and scan our QR code. Okay. Okay, now it has scanned it and it has showed us a link. So let's go to this link. And now we will go to the link. So the link was https://pastebin.com/wphpq. It's I guess 0, capital A and a small a. So let's go to this link. And okay, so we have found some credentials here. So let's copy this. Let's paste this in a file. Okay, I guess the link was answer to a question. What is the link inside of the audio? It was this. So let's move on to task 3 and let's see what we have to do. Decode the passphrase. Find and decrypt the passphrase and key. So I guess let's use cyber chef. I don't think we need this Sonic visualizer anymore, so let's move out. Okay, so let's get out info.txt. Let's copy this passphrase. Okay, so let's go to cyberchef. Okay, I don't think we need this link anymore, but let's go to here. Let's try if it is base 64. Okay, it looks like it is base 64 maybe. Let's see, let's paste it out. Yes, it is the answer. Find and decrypt the passphrase and key. What is the decrypted key? So let's decode this key as well. Let's go here, paste it here, and Cicada is the decrypted key. So let's go to here and paste it. Still looks funny. Find and use a cipher along with the key to decipher the passphrase. Okay, so let's see the hint here. French diplomatic ciphers. So let's Google this and see what it is. Virginia cipher. Okay, so I guess the decoded. Let's copy it from here. Okay, okay, we're using the following keyword: decrypt. Let's refresh this page. Okay, it has found. Okay, let's see if it is the right answer. It said decode the use cipher along with the key to decipher the decipher. Maybe it is okay. It is not right, but we did decode this. So let's try encoding it. Okay, cipher key is correct. So let's encrypt. Okay, just a passphrase. So I think encoding was the thing we had to do for Virginia cipher and using the key Cicada. Okay, so we have completed task this as well. So let's move on to task 4, which is gather metadata. Use the following password along with Stego tools and find this secret. So okay, let me see. Yes, this is we have it in our clipboard. So I know we can use stag hide to extract information. The syntax is stag hide minus dash dash extract dash sf and the file name which we have welcome.jpg, and it also asks for a passphrase. We have that in our clipboard and it has extracted it to invitation.txt. Let's cat out this text file. So it actually forwards us to a, it gives us a link. So let's go to this link. We don't need this anymore, we don't need this anymore, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so what link is given? This is the link that was given. We have done this as well. Okay, for some reason the page is a bit slow. The magic. Okay, hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them we have devised a test. There is a hidden message. There is a message hidden in this image. Find it and it will lead you on the road to finding us. We look forward to meeting the few that will make it all the way through. So good luck. 3301. So I guess let's download this image. Let's move it to our folder. I guess it went to my download folder. What was it? Okay, what is the file name? What is the file? Undefined. Let's move it to over to here. Clear out. Let's move this file undefined to image.jpg for simplicity. Now it has a simple name. Use Stego tools. Use Stego tools. Find the hidden file inside of the image. Okay, so I guess when it came to, I guess binwalk was used. Let's see if it works or not. Binwalk image dot jpeg. Okay, so maybe binwalk doesn't work here. So let's see the hint here. Use the same tool used to extract data in the original Cicada challenges. So let's Google this. What were the tools used? Okay, So it is text manipulation, steganography. So program from embedding and retrieving encrypted messages in JPEG images. So I guess outguess is the tool. Okay, so let's see. Okay, outguess how to run this. Outguess it requires the option dash R stands for retrieve message from from data, and the input file which is image.jpg and output file, let it be output. Okay, so let's cat out output. Okay, so what is it? It's a PGP signature. Hash is SHA-1. Okay, here is a book code. To find the book, break this hash. Okay, so I guess we will have to use a tool called name the hash. You can download it from GitHub. Simply search name that hash. I guess name the hash or name that hash. Let's Google this and find out. I have it in my Kali machine. Name that hash. Just git clone this into your Kali machine. The command is simply copy the code and git clone it and then paste the link. I have already have it in my Kali machine, and the syntax is dash dash text and pasting the, let's see. So it is found, it is most likely SHA-512, Ra SHA-512. Okay. So let's name it, name the file hash.txt, paste it in here and use John the Ripper to crack it. John hash.text dash dash word list equals to slash home slash kali slash documents slash rockq.txt. So let's see if it works or not. Okay, let me specify the format as well. Dash dash format. It is raw. Let me see. It was raw sha 5112. Okay. Okay, it should work now. And if it doesn't work, okay, we found it. Let's answer these questions first. Okay, so now let's move on to task number 6. We have one last challenge to find our individuals. Find the last clue, crack the hash, decipher the message. Good luck. Use hash cracking tools to reveal the text to the text. Use methods like Cicada to decipher the message. So I guess we will have to uh, use same tools to extract. Let's see what did they use. Okay, crack the hash. So let's see. Okay, John the Ripper has failed to crack it, but we know that the SHA type is SHA-5112. Okay, so it is asking for a link. What were the tools that they used? Let's see. Okay, Cyber Chef they used. Okay, we already used it. Right, text manipulation, anagram solver, Argus, file analysis. EXIF tool is for seeing the metadata, as you can see. Okay, okay, let's use online cracking services. I know of one crack station, so let's go to crack station and see if it can crack it or not. Let's paste it in here. I am not a robot. Crack hashes. Okay, it has also now cracked it. I know another one. I guess it is hash.net maybe. It's something like that, but I'm not sure. We may have to .net. It was something like that. Hash.net. Okay. It was, I guess, let's go to hash.net, see if it exists, or maybe it was md5 hash.net. Maybe it is also cracking service. Okay, let's try this. It's okay, so just paste md5 hash dot net. Okay, so I guess it is this website. So I guess it is SHA-512. Let's paste it in here and let's decode this. And if it doesn't crack it, then we will have to look for another decrypting. Please wait. I don't think we need this link anymore. We don't need crack station anymore because it didn't work. So I guess crack the hash. We're still cracking, decrypting, and it will take a few minutes. Okay, let's agree. Okay, it is doing its work. Let's see what we have found. Okay, let's cat out that invitation. No, I guess let's cat out that output file and see what we have here. Okay, the hash is here. Use positive integers to go forward in the text and use negative integers to go backward in the text. Okay, so use positive integers to go forward in the text and use negative integers to go backward in the text. And this double hash, I think it's also a link, because as you can see that it has double slashes here, it has single slash here, so it's like this. Let me explain you. HTTPS dollar sign, this semicolon, this colon, and this double slashes and something, and then a slash. I think it's a link, and it is telling us to use positive integers to go forward in the text and use negative integers to go backward in the text. Where, let's see if it has cracked or not. Okay, it has given us a link, so let's go to that link. It's, so let's paste it in here as well. Okay, now we have cracked the hash link we have found. Decipher the message. Okay, so I guess this was the, use positive integers to go forward in the text and use negative integers to go backward in the text. This is what it is talking about. So I guess we are, what we are looking for is HTTPS first. So it is showing I 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Let's see in the first line, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. The sixth alphabet is H. So I guess it is, first line and sixth word. So we know that the first words are this. And let's look at this now. 13th line, on 13 we have to find 5 and 1. 5. Okay, we don't need this anymore. 13th line we have to find the fifth word, 1 2 3 4 5, which is B and I. So it is BI. And 14th and 7 on 14th line and 7th alphabet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I guess this is bit. Let's see what we have again. We have on the third line we have the 29th alphabet, or character you can say. 29th, what was it, line 3. Okay, so let's move up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and I guess 29, it's the dot. Okay, some weird link. Dot, then 19th has the 8th alphabet. 19th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So it is L dot L. and and what do we have here? 22's 25. 19's 8. Let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8th L it is. So let's move on to 22nd and 25th. Okay, so it will take a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. I guess Y is the word. LY. Okay, Bitly. Is that a link? Is that a valid link? Yes, it is. It is a URL shortener. Actually, I think I used it. Okay, it was, I guess, bit.ly dot ly. Maybe it was last word. What did I find on the 26th? Okay, I will have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, Y was the word, and I know it was a dot and ly. So let's move on. 23rds minus 1. Use negative integers to go backward in text. So I guess 23 minus 1 is maybe 3, I guess. It is going back. Slash 3. Okay. 19th one, so I guess it is 9. And second line and 21st. Second line and 21st. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th. What I was finding, it's second line, 21st. I will have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I guess 22, 23, 24, 25 is O. So I guess it is O. So now fifth line and ninth word, fifth line and ninth word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess it's W. And the last one is, no, it's 24th and minus 2. Hmm, I guess minus 2 is 2 then. Wait, let me see. It's 24th minus 2, I guess it's okay. So what was that? 21 is 1 and 38 is 1. Let's find out. It is N, and 38 is H and H. So now we have to find in between one. I guess it is, as it says, 24th minus 2. I'm not sure about minus 2. 24th. I guess it is 2 then. Maybe. Okay, I think I have messed up a bit. It was. Let me go to my history. Okay, I think I will have to do it again. It was https slash slash b8bit dot ly slash. It was 39 slash bit dot ly slash. What was in between actually? 13th 5. Okay, I remember it was this dot ly. It was this, and it was 39, and the first two were this and 221. 221. What did I read it? 221. It's 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So it's P. So what I was writing O. I was counting for 25, so it was 21. So it is not P, it's not O, it's P. And I guess it is now. For 24 I used minus. I go back once, and it was 2, and it was minus 1. I would have used 4. So let's go to this link and see if it is correct or not. Okay, stream Cicada 3301. This is the link. Let's paste it. Okay, the link wasn't this big. Let's see if it has. Okay, please god dot ly slash 39. Yes, it has. Please don't change. Oh, I guess I have saved it. Oh, I will have to type it. It was bit.ly slash 39pw. I guess. What was it? Yeah, pw2nh, I guess. Is it? Yes, it is. So let's move on to task number 7, the final song. We have found the individuals we sought. uh, 3301. What is the song linked? It is the. Okay, let's refresh this. I guess I don't need this anymore. It's Cicada, the Insta emergence. Insta emergence. Let's see. Okay, let's hear it out. What is it? Does it work? Let's accept the cookies. What is it? Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.